Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have new cute easy 3D toppers for you, perfect for fall, and a giveaway. So let's get started. So I picked 3 easy 3D topper bags for today's video. This one, the Halloween, is a comeback from last year. Very popular, and I just wanted to let you know that I have it back in stock. So check out these super cute, adorable toppers. Now here they come in individual bags and 3 layers. And I will see if I find my video from last year. I'll link it below if you want to see a couple of projects that I did with these. So again, this is a comeback from last year, but it's back in stock. Next, it's also a comeback, and this is called Fall. And you have these super cute, adorable fall toppers. Look at those hedgehogs here, the scarecrow, lots of sunflowers and pumpkins, and yeah, even a lantern. So cute. Again, I already made cards with these. I'm going to link it below if you want to see a little bit of inspiration. But these are also back in stock. Now, for today, I have the Deer Forest. And these I brought back from Germany. When I saw them, I was thinking, oh my God, that's Oktoberfest. And I don't know why, but that's what the Bavarians use as their symbols. They always have these deer in their decorations. So when I saw these, that just reminded me of Oktoberfest. And even though if you look at those, there is nothing fall to speak of in these pictures, but wait until you see how I made fall cards with those. So again, you have 10 embellishments in these bags, and they're all individually packaged. Now, here is what I have created. Now, I made a set of 4 cards, and the cards are, let's see, they are 5 by 5. Okay, so I made the card blanks myself from some pumpkin colored cardstock. Added a panel like I always do, and then here is what we have: a little bit of glitter paper, brown glitter paper in the bag. Then I found a very beautiful piece of fall cardstock. I added a couple of these panels that I used my paper crimper, and then here is this beautiful embellishment. I have these dies. I cut out a couple of leaves from gold metallic cardstock, and then here we have these 2 deer. And now tell me, is this a fall card or not? And again, this looks so much like this looks so much like the Oktoberfest to me. This is what you will see over there when you go as decorations. Now here is my second card. Again, I made a card blank. This time I used some linen cardstock. Again, it's a 5 by 5 card. Used some background paper and edited on glitter cardstock. This glitter cardstock, by the way, is from Michaels. And the designer paper here comes from one of their, from Michaels pad too. It's probably not, this might be from this year. This I know is at least a year old, maybe 2. So I know we all have cardstock, so you don't necessarily have to go out and buy a new one. But I do have beautiful cardstock coming on next week, so just stay tuned. But look how gorgeous is this deer, and it's got the bells here, and I stamped the thankful. I also stamped the grateful, and then just a foam piece of glittered leaves, also from Michaels. And yeah, I think that's just a beautiful fall card. Here is my next one, and you see now it's the same design. This, by the way, I will have up for sale, those 4 cards. If you like them, you would support me. I sell them as a value pack, so for hopefully a reasonable price, and it supports my channel and bringing in new materials. But yeah, here same thing, cardstock, the same pumpkin color cardstock, and then this gorgeous embellishment layered with foam pads. One of the leaves that I cut out with my die, and then again used my paper crimper. Just love these. And they have a little bit of glitter, very faint little glitter, nothing overwhelming, but you can see that glitter I did not put on. That was actually already on the topper. And here is my fourth card, and again I have this linen cardstock for my card blank, and then again some beautiful fall paper, the glitter paper behind it, crimped, grateful, couple of leaves, and then even a little I need to secure that a little bit better, even a little metal leaf here, and then this gorgeous deer head. Look at that, it's just beautiful. So yeah, I really like these new toppers. Like I said, Oktoberfest, that's what it is. And now before I get you to the giveaway, I have a couple more things. Okay, I bought back this pack of borders, sticker borders, and the reason I like this one, and I haven't seen this before, so look at these colors, and these are so they come in this 6-pack. Let me just see. So first of all, I really like this color. This is this maroon, and it's perfect for fall, but also beautiful for Christmas. So that's one. The next one that I like very much is orange. Where do you find orange? Very, very rare. So this is an orange sticker, and when you take it off, see, this is how it looks like. Let's just take this off. See, it's just gorgeous. Has a little bit of a gold edge, and for our Halloween and fall crafts, I thought that'd be perfect. So hard to come by, and I thought just because of the orange I'm gonna use this. And then you have 4 more. This, wouldn't that be great, this very bright yellow for Easter? I think it just screams Easter. And then we have 2 different blues, also great for summer, or when you do winter cards with blue, I think these would work well too. And then a true red here. So we also have the true red. And this is a great deal because it's a 6-pack, a value pack, and you have all these gorgeous colors. But I bought it because I thought this is great for Halloween and this is great for Christmas. And then also I wanted to let you know I have these back in stock. This is Happy Halloween. Those are stickers and they are large. How large? Well, I made this little pillow box here for Halloween to add a couple of sweets in here. I made this pillow box with the VR Memory Keepers pillow box tool. But see, it fills up the entire front of that pillow box. And that pillow box is, let's use inches, 5 inches long, okay? So you can see it fills it up very nicely. So that is also back in stock. And now we're getting into our giveaways. Okay, so today I'm giving away 2 fall paper packs to 2 of my subscribers as a thank you gift. So what's in here? There are 3 sizes of papers and also cut aparts. Let's look at these. So it starts with 8 by 8, and you recognize, of course, this is the Paper Boutique, and look at these gorgeous fall creatures. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Then we have the sentiments in there, 2 different pages, 2 different versions of sentiments. Thank you for being the special person you are, sending you birthday wishes. So just really cute cute sentiments, someone special, enjoy your special day. Then we have more of these fall creatures here. Even the owl, look how cute that is. Then we have background paper, or you can cut the strips if you like to. And then we have all these different cut aparts. So this is the 8x8. Then there is 7x7. Now remember last week I showed you how to make these cute bags. So this would also be great paper to make bags. Look at this. Super, super cute. Love fall. Fall is always a beautiful season, leading up, of course, to Christmas. So we have the 7x7, and then there's also 5x5. And these would be really great to put on one of these bags that showed you, that I created last week. Look at these. Or, of course, you can put those on 6x6 cards. That would also be awesome, because that would make a super cute card topper. Look at the hello. Okay, so this is one pack. I have that pack again, so I will give away 2 of these packs. And just so you see what you can do with it, I actually made a card with the 7x7 paper. So I cut myself a cardstock. Actually, no, I didn't cut this. I have that in my shop. This is a 7, is it 7x7? Just making sure now. Yes, it's a 7x7 cardstock that actually I have in my shop. So I just added this panel, got around with my stickle pen, used some leaves, and then one of the greetings makes this card, and then when you open it up, I just cut apart one of these cute little, see if it focuses, cute little hedgehogs, and embellish the inside. So yes, this is a big card, and these come with envelopes, so you don't have to worry about that, and I will link it below. But if you like to win these, just leave me a comment in my below, so that I know that you are that you like to win these. And again, that's my thank you to 2 of my subscribers for supporting me here in my channel. And I will draw the winners next weekend, so you have a week to participate. And please, this is for US only, but I believe most of my subscribers are from the US, so US only. If you like to win this, then just leave me a comment. Thank you so much. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you liked my cards. If so, please leave me a thumbs up. Of course, a comment if you want to win. But I love all the comments. And please share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate the support. But that's all I have for you today. Next week, I have gorgeous new fall papers for you, so please stay tuned. And until then, please stay or get well, happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.